Gracias, Amiga.
Alright, so this weekend I'm gone to help my sister and her boyfriend move into their new place down south. So we're going to Whitby. Today's day one. We're just driving south. We got the U-Haul back there and a bunch of stuff in the truck. My sister and my mom are already there, and we're meeting them in a hotel room. And they were starting moving in Saturday. We're just driving down today, and my dad and Jason, and I'm just gonna play some playing some Roller Coaster Tycoon while we go down. Is it on, boy? Yeah. Chop. Point Jason. So we stopped in Perry Sound to get something to eat, and my dad's adamant that we should check the trailer, because if something's broken now, you know, it might be fixed by the time we get to...
The whole trailer.
So...
Tires?
No, he wants to make sure the beer is not busted, so...
And if everything falls out in the parking lot, just leave it. What the hell is this?
Where'd you get a piece of wood from?
How come this is so tight?
See?
Everything's fine. What?
It's leaking.
It's because you're old, that's why you think stuff's leaking.
We good?
You happy?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Down with from...
So Dad, you wanna check the trailer again before we leave?
Travel vlog.
Or?
Travel vlog.
You sure? We might want to check the trailer. Something might have happened to it when we weren't around it.
Lights are on.
Yeah, Jason, you left the lights on. Oh, it's so mean.
I thought you were over it.
What?
I thought you didn't want to listen to it anymore.
What is it?
I thought you didn't want to listen to it anymore.
Listen to what? Love Rob Zombie.
Satellite's going out.
Yeah. Satellite's cutting out.
Remember the 1 year you can get those with diesel?
Richard's brother's going.
Diesel ones?
And the guy put it up basically. And then he stopped him at the you can't leave it. You can't leave there till it's locked, right?
Well, I know, so we're sitting in the driveway.
Well, why? What's in there?
Nothing, but we can't leave our house if somebody breaks in.
Ah, why? She got a fire door?
Like, if she's a fire door doesn't mean she has anything.
Did you
People
empty?
can open that fire door.
Did you empty the escape into your apartment? The stuff that was in escape?
No, we haven't.
I told you they wouldn't do it. Told you. Told you that wouldn't be done.
It's not even that, like, do what? Empty the thing. What?
This call may be recorded for
What's
quality
the
and training
hell?
purposes. Any information collected will be handled in accordance with our
Quality suites.
help you?
Hi, I'm looking for 1700 Champlain Street in Whitby.
You can certainly look into that for you, Mr. DeGuire. Just bear with me here. And there we go. I have located your 1700 Champlain Avenue in Whitby.
Okay.
Got that. Perfect. Got that most directions immediately for you. Thanks for using OnStar. Please drive safely and have a fantastic long weekend.
Gracias, amiga.
De nada.
So embarrassing. She's never gonna see us.
She's only gonna know Jason's name.
Tell me we're trying to settle an argument.
Call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. Any information collected will be handled in accordance with our privacy policy.
I think I did that from the torrent.
Thank you for calling OnStar. My name is Amanda. How may I assist you?
Hi, Amanda. I just have a question for you. We're just trying to settle an argument. We're just wondering how many languages do you have to know to work for OnStar?
Actually, so you only need to know if you're in our French department, French. If you're in our English department, English, because we do have a translation department. We have a on-call 24 hours a day translator that can assist you. We also have a Spanish team as well. So just one language.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good night. Thank you for using OnStar.
You too.
Travel vlog. Travel vlog.